How wet it'll be for the races today. Let's go back now to the track where we find our Alden German. The track is going to be a mess no matter what, but what about the grounds around Churchill?
Well, you're going to run into some muddy spots, and the track itself is officially classified as sloppy at the moment. If you're here watching any of the races, you can see some of the standing water out there on the track, but otherwise it feels pretty comfortable out here. We'll take a look at our currents right now. We're sitting just under 70 degrees at Ali International Airport. We're sitting in the middle to upper 60s elsewhere as well. So there's that 70 degrees that you can see. And as we look ahead now with Max HD radar, there's not too much to actually see on radar, but it's definitely coming down here. Just a light drizzle, a few sprinkles, nothing that's very heavy. And a broader view shows that much of the heavier rainfall is now well off to our south and to our east, which I expect it to stay there for the remainder of today. Putting that into motion, you can see how that's been pushing off to our east. But as we continue into this afternoon, I expect we'll see just a little bit of sunshine. We'll move ahead to Futurecast, and that's where we'll see a little bit of sunshine possible later this afternoon. That sunshine will help those temperatures pop very quickly into the lower and middle 70s. So it could still potentially be on the mild side today. Middle 70s is average for early May. So it's actually going to be a pretty typical May day for us. As we continue into the mid to late afternoon hours, that's when we could possibly see a couple of other pop-up showers, but otherwise it's going to be drier this afternoon. I would still have that poncho handy though, just in case. Dry weather for us overnight too. We'll wake up to our Sunday morning with dry conditions as well. Now tomorrow is going to be a different day. I expect we're going to see a little bit more sunshine. That will definitely help our temperatures climb. And with that south wind around too, I think we'll be able to get into the lower 80s in the mid to late afternoon hours. We'll have to watch tomorrow afternoon though, because we could have a couple of pop-up downpours, popcorn thunderstorms as I like to call them, and that could result in a brief downpour, maybe affect the track conditions just a bit as well. But those are kind of hard to predict where exactly they're going to pop up as they just form during the heat of the day. And then as we head into Sunday, things are going to be quieter for us. We're not going to see as much activity. And our temperatures are going to also be in the lower 80s. So here's a look at that Derby planner for tomorrow. As you can see, temperatures are going to start off a little bit warmer for us in the morning, and we're definitely going to be warmer in the afternoon with those high temperatures in the lower 80s expected and a little bit more sunshine. So it is going to be a bit warmer for sure, and you'll want to have that sunblock.